Currently looking to organize your Instagram profile with highlights but want to avoid posting stories? You're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to add highlights without making them public on your story. Let's get started. First, let's quickly review what highlights are. Highlights allow you to save your favorite stories in a permanent section on your profile. They're a great way to showcase key moments, but you can add highlights without sharing them in a story forward. Here's how. Before we dive into the steps, you'll need to prepare the content you want to feature in your highlights. You can use your photos or videos that you already have saved on your device. Now let's create a private story. This allows you to add content to highlights without it being visible to your followers. Open the Instagram app, tap on the camera icon at the top left or swipe right to access the story creation section. Select the photos or videos you want to add to your story. Before posting, tap on the Send To button. Choose Close Friends instead of your story. Now tap Share. Great, now that you've created a private story, it's time to add it to your highlights. Go to your profile, tap on the plus sign on the highlight sections. Select the private story you just created. Click on Next. Here you can choose the cover image and highlight a name. Tap on Add to create your highlight. Now, since your goal is to keep things low-key, you can delete the private story if you want. Go back to your story archive by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your. Here now click on Archive. Find your private story. Tap on here and simply click on Delete. You've successfully added highlights to your profile without posting a story that everyone can see. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.